And here we are. You just saw the guy sitting there with the didgeridoo. That was Andres. He's coming later. I was chilling out. Look at this beautiful spot here. And the river has about 25 degrees Celsius. The giant cactuses up there. Yeah, and when you walk along here for 400 meters, there come small waterfalls, really beautiful. It's free because further up the river there are some pools, natural pools, but you gotta pay like, I don't know, 18 euros or something to get in there for 1 hour. Crazy stupid, people getting money for everything. Well, going up there it's free, so I'm going to go there and have a bath. Excellent. This is a rough road. Today is a new day, and today I'm going to the Termas De Puritama, the hot springs up at 3,500 meters here. Yeah, quite beautiful, looking forward to it. And I think I'm gonna meet the Andres from Route of the Desert and Marina and Reno from Explore Life from Switzerland, and let's see if we meet up there. And this is the road. Check this giant road. Beautiful, beautiful oasis. And we are, don't forget, we are in like 3,500 meters altitude. And the water is warm. And in a pool spec there, when you get with your bottom to the wrong spot, you burn your bottom because there's the hot spring coming out. It's really cool. Incredible. Get over there. Found my spot. Yeah, my resting area here, nice. And I'm gonna chill a few hours here until the most heat is gone.
Based upon